Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just sharing a quick little clean with me around the kitchen and the living room and a quick little bake with me. I hope you guys enjoy this. As you can see, there isn't too much to clean up on. I just kind of went through and picked up here and there, but there wasn't like a huge mess, so it didn't take me very long. At least once a week, I like to put my rag in hot water and with a couple of capfuls of bleach and just let it soak That way it just freshens it up and it kind of kills off the bacteria, and I can just keep using it. I usually change out my dish rag maybe once a week if I do this. This recipe I got off of Pinterest, so I'll go ahead and link that down in the description below. You're going to go ahead and start off by putting your oven at 350 Fahrenheit. In a small bowl, you're going to combine 2/3 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and you're just going to whisk that together. Now in my mixer, I combined 3/4 cups of sugar, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3/4 cups of evaporated milk, and 1 can of pumpkin puree. And then I went ahead and mixed that all together. Once all your wet ingredients are mixed together, go ahead and slowly add your dry ingredients and mix that until it's smooth. I went ahead and just buttered my cupcake pan, and then I added flour on top so it could prevent sticking. Now you're going to go ahead and put that in your oven for 20 minutes. Now let them cool for 30 minutes and then I plated them. I forgot to press record whenever I did this, but I went ahead and just add LiQWYD to the top to make them like mini pumpkin pies. But yeah guys, that's it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss any more of my videos. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!